Listen to this. You could lose thousands of dollars in your life because of one single number you've never even paid attention to. Not your IQ, not your GPA, but your credit score. And if you don't understand it today, it can quietly destroy your financial future tomorrow. This is the version of credit score you should have been taught back in 10th grade. In this video, I'm going to help you understand your credit score in the simplest way possible. You'll learn what a credit score really is, how it's calculated, how to increase it in the next 30 days, and the common mistakes that cause Gen Z to lose points without realizing it. If you watch this video until the end, you'll know exactly what to do next. And trust me, it can save you a lot of money in the future. What is a credit score? A credit score is a number between 300 and 850. It represents your financial trustworthiness. It tells banks, landlords, and companies whether you pay your bills on time and whether you can be trusted with credit. Think of it like a report card, but instead of grading your knowledge, it grades your financial behavior. If you pay on time, use your credit wisely, and keep your debt low, your score goes up. If you miss payments, max out your cards, or rely too much on credit, your score goes down. A high score makes life easier. Lower interest rates, easier approvals, better rental options, cheaper loans. A low score, everything becomes harder and more expensive. The 5 factors that determine your credit score is not a mystery. It is built from 5 clear components. 1. Payment history, 35%. This is the biggest factor. Just one late payment can drop your score immediately. Always pay on time, no exceptions. 2. Credit utilization, 30%. This measures how much of your credit limit you are using. If your limit is $1,000, try to stay below $300. Even if you pay it off every month, using too much at once can temporarily lower your score. 3. Length of credit history, 15%. The longer you've had credit, the better. Old accounts help your score. This is why you shouldn't close old credit cards unless absolutely necessary. 4. Credit mix, 10%. Your score improves when you have different types of credit. A credit card, an auto loan, a personal loan, a student loan. You don't need many. Just a reasonable mix. 5. New credit, 10%. Opening too many new accounts in a short period can hurt your score. 1 or 2 new accounts per year is usually enough. 3 ways to increase your credit score in 30 days. The good news is, your score can improve quickly if you do the right things. 1. Reduce credit utilization below 30%. If your limit is $1,000, try to keep your balance under $300. If you're using too much, pay it down before your statement closes. 2. Pay your full balance. On-time minimum payments don't help your score. The system rewards full on-time payments. Set reminders. Turn on auto pay. Never miss a due date. 3. Increase your credit limit. Ask your bank for a credit limit increase. A higher limit means lower utilization, which means a higher score. Most banks approve instantly through their apps. Common mistakes. Gen Z makes many Gen Z borrowers lose points because of simple mistakes that are completely avoidable. Mistake 1. Opening too many cards at once. Some people apply for 3 or 4 cards in 2 months. This makes the system think you're desperate for credit, and your score drops immediately. Mistake 2. Treating credit cards like free money. A credit card is not a wallet. If you max out your card every month, your score will suffer badly, even if you pay it off later. Mistake 3. Not checking your credit report. You get one free credit report every year. If you never check it, you won't know if there are errors or worse, if someone used your identity. 30-second summary. Your credit score comes down to 3 core habits. Pay on time. Keep your utilization low. Build your credit history early. Do these 3 things, and your score will rise automatically. No hacks and no tricks needed. Final CTA. If you want the free checklist that helps you increase your credit score faster, the link is right in the description. Like the video, subscribe, and comment, "I want the checklist." I'll send you the full version, and I hope you build a credit score you can be proud of.